I'm Homer with Subtechnical and SealGuard. Today we're going to show you how to prepare a 6-foot friction bolt or split set by using our SealGuard product. It's a dual component, rigid, closed cell polyurethane. This demonstration will be for when you already drilled a hole and there's water coming out of the hole, so you can prepare the bolt before you install it. This is a dual component caulking gun. This is our dual component polyurethane SealGuard II, which reacts in 1 to 3 seconds. So you remove the cap off the tubes. You remove the cap that seals the tubes off. Save that, because this one set of tube will do 3 6-foot friction bolt split sets. And you don't have to do them all at the same time. You can do one at a time, recap it, purchase a new mixer to use it again. This mixer has a patented check valve in it, so it stops the material from reacting and going back into the caulking tubes and for reuse. So you slide the nut down over the mixer, start the nut on, install it into the dual component caulking gun, finish tightening up the nut. Then you want to make sure that they're both on ratio, so just give it a shot and to get it on ratio, then start in the friction bolt. You want to stop near the end so there's room for the striker bar to go in. You can install it right away. It's already cured. You can peel the material off of it, or you can leave it in as it goes into the hole, into the rock. The rock will tear off the rest of it. So it's ready to load into the drill rig and hammer in the hole, or jack leg or stoper to hammer it, and that'll stop the water from coming down through the inside of the friction bolt. It'll adhere to both sides inside the friction bolt and prevent any rust occurring on the inside. This is part of our patent that we have. The other part of our patent is a soap tube. A single component goes in the end. As the water dissolves the soap tube, the single component will come out down around the outside. But if it's just a lot of water coming through, you can hammer it in as is. Thank you.